Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 17. In 172 AD, during the Marcomannic Wars, Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius and his army faced near defeat in Germania, trapped by enemy tribes and suffering from drought. In this desperate situation, a group of Christian soldiers prayed for help. Miraculously, a sudden downpour ensued, quenching the troops' thirst and causing floods that hindered their enemies, leading to a Roman victory. This rain miracle was seen as divine intervention, celebrated on a commemorative column and coins. A legendary event in Roman history, it showcases the blend of military strategy, religious faith, and fortuitous chance. A remarkable tale of survival and victory against the odds.